What's up guys? I just came across this pretty cool product from Cameraworks-UK. I haven't seen it before, so I figured I'd make a little review and installation video of the product. So essentially it takes your take-up spool for a Leica M2, M3, I think the M1 as well, and converts it to the little tulip style take-up spool similar to the M4, M6. They kind of tweaked the Leica design and made it a little more functional for like the M3 where you need to remove the spool to get the frame counter to reset. So they even have a little telescoping piece that you can use to pull it out. And if you want to use it on the Leica M2, all you have to do is unscrew a little screw on the bottom. This is the second part of their kit. It's this little wheel that attaches to your base plate, and that allows the spool to spin freely. So if you see right there, there's a little hex key, and you line that up with the hole. You want to tighten it down just until you start to feel it grab, and then turn it just a quarter turn. I also just made sure that it's able to freely spin once you have it attached, and that's not going anywhere, so that's perfect. Now that you have the bottom attached to the base plate, you take up the new spool, the little tulip one, and you take out your old spool and flip up the camera, and all you do is place it right where the spool goes. And you push it down a little bit. It's kind of tight, but on the M2 you're not going to need to take that out again. Cameraworks-UK even supplied a little sticker that you can put on the bottom to remind you how to load the film. It's pretty easy though, so once you have your base plate off, you flip it open, flip it upside down, open that back door. It makes the film loading a little bit easier. You can slide your film in one side, pull it over to the other side, place it where it needs to be inside according to the diagram. From there you're going to need to push it in a little bit. It's kind of tight, but it's not that bad. If everything's sitting right, once you close the door, put the base plate on. The base plate also, with that new wheel on, helps push the film up into place. And from there, you'll be able to advance it and be ready to shoot. Just make sure when you do advance it that these two little dots are spinning, and that way you know that the film is attached and advancing correctly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just send me a message and I'll do my best to give you any advice that I have. Take care. Happy shooting.